Let's take a look at the chart. The chart shows in the center of the screen and reflects the symbol that's displayed in the header. To change the symbol, you can click in the header and type a new symbol, or you can click on something in your watch list, or click on a position. Changing the time frame on the chart is easy. In the upper left corner, select the arrow and you can choose from different numbers of minutes, different numbers of hours, daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly time frames. To use the drawing tools, click on the pencil icon and you can see the different drawing tools that are available. To add an indicator, click on the plus signs. Then you'll be able to select an indicator and add it to your chart. You can also look at different chart styles in the chart settings or change the items that are displayed on the chart. You can drag the chart back and forth to see different areas of the chart, and you can zoom in and out by clicking the minus sign and the plus sign. To reset the chart to its original position, just click the reset button. If you're looking at something you have a position in, you'll see some details about the position below the chart.